Hey guys, today I'm sharing my real life morning routine before heading off to work. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy and subscribe if this is your first time here. I typically wake up around 5:40 each morning, and the first thing I like to do is check in on Riley. Once I see that she is still sound asleep, I head off to the bathroom to get ready. Lately, I've been loving the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I love how it cleanses my skin without leaving it super dry. So the next thing I like to do is to go in with a hot towel to really open up my pores and prep my skin for step number 2, which is going to be the Dr. Dennis Gross skin peels. If you've been around for some time now, you know how much I love these skin peels, and they really helped reduce the amount of dark spots I had on my skin left over from acne. Once you apply the step 1, you want to wait 2 minutes before applying step 2, the perfect amount of time for me to brush my teeth. The last thing I do for my skincare is to moisturize my face with the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer before heading back to my room. So I've tried to incorporate more healthy habits into my morning routine. So I start by chugging down a cup of water, and then I like to write down 3 things I'm grateful for every morning in my gratitude journal. And once I'm finished there, it's time to pick out what I'm going to wear for the day. And we've had a couple of pretty nice weather days, so I wanted to wear a dress to work. And then of course I apply my lotion, because the last thing I want to do is head out of the house with ashy elbows or knees. I've definitely done it before, and it's never a good look. I've never been one who wears makeup on an everyday basis, but this week at work, we had a few events happening, so I wanted to really look nice. Are you someone who wears makeup every day? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's get the conversation going in the comment section down below. What does your morning routine look like? Is it similar to mine? Something completely different? I would love to know what your morning routine looks like. The last thing I do before heading downstairs is going to be to curl my hair really quick. Because I don't really have too much time in the morning, I'm really only going to be adding some curls to the front of my face. Okay, so for my outfit today, I am wearing this tropical type of swing dress that I picked up from H&M, I think last year. And then I paired it with these really cute pink mules from DKNY that I picked up from Macy's a couple weekends ago for about $30. And the office can get a bit cold, so I might just throw on my jean jacket because that's typically what I like to wear with this outfit. Green smoothies have been my go-to breakfast because they're easy to make and something I can enjoy on the way to work. What is your quick go-to breakfast? Let me know in the comment section down below. So the last thing left to do is to go upstairs, wake Riley up, change her really quick, and then we're headed right out the door. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. I hope you found it to be helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!